What is up, my people? So today we're going to be reviewing the e.l.f. and Jay Kissa collaboration. This is their second time collabing, and I actually didn't get the first collection, but I remember seeing it on social media and I really wanted it, so I'm so excited. I got this one. I was one of the first 1,000 people to order the palette, so I think it comes with a little note for those people, and it says, "Hi, thank you so much for supporting our second collaboration. Rescuing dogs and colorful eyeshadow are two of my passions in life. I'm honored to bring them together for this collection of my colorful dreams. We can't wait to see the looks you create." That was really cute. This is what the packaging for the palette looks like. It is so freaking adorable. This is the eyeshadow topper duo, and this is the little brush set. So I think the first thing we're gonna do is try out these brushes and the palette, basically try everything out, and then towards the end of the video I'm going to show you guys all the swatches. Something really cool about this palette is that it actually comes just white, not too much design on it, but when you open it up, usually these palettes come with little plastic inserts so that the shadows don't mess up the mirror and they don't get all crazy. But this one has stickers attached to it, and I think all palettes should have this. I love stickers. I hoard stickers. I'm obsessed with stickers. I'm so excited to customize this little palette. I think that was a really nice touch. And this is what the palette looks like. Wow, there's a huge mirror. This is amazing. It's gigantic. Look at you guys. Hey guys, so it is several hours later. Started filming earlier and my camera was out of battery. So it's 1 a.m. right now. I charged my camera for a few hours and I just really want to get this video up as soon as possible. So one of the first things I'm gonna do is conceal my eyelids with the white concealer, just because I want the colors to be as bright as possible. Now that your eyes are primed, we're gonna get into this beautiful palette right here. Wow. Honestly, I always say that my favorite color is rainbow because it really is. I just can't choose one color. Just look at these brushes. This is my dream brush collection. Look how beautiful they are. Oh, I think I'm gonna start off with the J1 brush, and I'm gonna be actually using this inspiration photo that I liked on Instagram. It was this rainbow gradient look and it was just so beautiful. It's by this girl. Her name is A Cat with Two Heads. It is just such a beautiful look. I'll insert a picture right here so you guys can see what I'm looking at. We'll see how it turns out. I think I'm probably gonna be using the first row mostly, this top row, and then maybe deepening the colors up with the second row. I just want you guys to be able to see how these colors blend out, but I'm gonna show you guys swatches at the end of the video, so if you're just interested in how these colors swatch, then you can just skip to whatever timestamp is on the screen or in the description box. I was blending out my concealer and I just stabbed my eye. So the first color I'm gonna use is Cannoli. It is the bright blue shade, and I'm gonna put that kind of towards my inner corner. Next, I'm gonna use the shade Peaky. It is the green, and I'm just gonna layer that right next to it. Also very pigmented. Wow. I haven't swatched these yet, so this is my first reaction to these colors, and this is amazing because the palette was so affordable, and it's I'm thinking about these palettes that I've spent $50–60 on, and it's performing the same if not better. Now I'm taking Yosemite, which is the yellow color. I just want to say I really love this brush. Not sure if I'll be able to use all of the brushes, but I can tell that it's not scratchy and it feels really soft and delicate on the eye. Ooh, that's a bright yellow, guys. It's very hard to get yellows to stand out like this. So now I'm actually going to go in with the brush J4. It's a more dense, smaller size blending brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Millie. I know I look crazy, but I think this is gonna turn out really cool. I'm gonna go in with Casey now, the red shade, the first shade in the palette. I am experiencing some fallout, but it's not really bothering me. I just thought you guys should know. I'm gonna get the J2 and I'm just gonna blend out right here towards the brow bone. I picked up a little bit of the red color, not too much. Kind of like diffuse it so it's not as harsh. But look at that rainbow. That is magical. Of course, I know some people are gonna be like, she's not gonna go outside wearing that, but probably will. This would also be a really cool brush for nose contouring. These brushes are really versatile and inexpensive and really pretty, and for a good cause. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna use the second row right here underneath the brighter colors. I actually haven't used the purple at all, so sorry about that. There just wasn't enough space on my eyelid. So I'm gonna take Pepper, which is the darker red, and I'm just gonna focus that towards the outer corner. I'm not gonna blend it all the way up to the top. I'm gonna leave the lighter red shade towards the top. See that? It's just deepening it up a little bit, which is really cool because regular neutral tone palettes, they have a lighter beige, then they have a brown, and then a dark brown, and that's what they should do for these rainbow palettes. A lighter red, a deeper red, so that you can blend it out and have dimension. And now I'm going to take Zuma, which is the darker orange shade, just focusing it towards the bottom. Now for the darker yellow, it's called Paloma, and wow, this is like my favorite mustardy yellow. Now I'm gonna take Tank, which is the darker green shade, just doing the same thing to deepen it up. Okay, so to apply the darker blue shade right here in the inner corner, I'm gonna be using the J6 brush because it is a detail brush. I think the plan for me is to do a gigantic wing, because I love doing wings. For the bottom lash line, I'm gonna use all of the shimmery shades that are towards the bottom of the palette, the last row of the palette. You guys, just look at that blue shade. It's called Bailey, and it's funny because my cousin's dog is named Bailey, and I love him so much. This color is probably my favorite one in the palette. This look is pretty strange, but I just wanted to show you guys all of the colors in one eye look. Okay, so I put on like a lot of blush towards my temples, and I think that gave a really cute look. I don't know, I like it. Next, we're gonna be using the Suki to My Heart eyeshadow topper or liquid eyeshadow. There's two sides. There's a green color that's called I'm Pupset, and like an opalescent type color, and it's called What a Pity Smile. I think I'm gonna use What a Pity Smile. Oh, it's like a little doe foot applicator. Let's try placing it on the eye. Just any detail brush will work, and just kind of like blend that glitter out. This is the finished look. I hope you guys really like it. It's a little bit crazy, but really fun. So I hope you guys recreate it or do something kind of similar to it. I added some rhinestones as well to my eyes. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I love rhinestones, so I had to do it. I just wanted to mention that every time you use this palette and you post it on social media, please remember to hashtag eyes, lips, face, paws, because e.l.f. is going to donate $1 every time you guys post it, and I believe the max they're going to donate is $25,000 to Angel City Pits, which is Jay Kissa's favorite organization. Also, this palette is cruelty-free and vegan, which is really hard to create these vibrant colors using only a vegan formula. Also, this palette is $20, and it is probably one of the most pigmented rainbow palettes I've ever used. Yeah, I'm just like obsessed with this. For $20, that is a bargain. Also, you get a lot of stickers with it. So this Sugi to My Heart eyeshadow duo. If I could recommend one thing to get from this collection, it would probably be the eyeshadow palette for $20. This is $12. I don't think I'm going to be using it that often. It's still very affordable. I just think if you're on a budget, I would probably skip out on this one. As for these beautiful brushes, I am obsessed with just the way they look, but also the way they perform. They're amazing, and it's 6 brushes for $25. Look how beautiful that is. That is so I would really recommend getting these and this together. I just wanted to mention one more thing. This doesn't have to do with the e.l.f. and J.Kissa collaboration. I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have a link down below in the description box. Basically, it just has a bunch of resources on ways you can help the Black Lives Matter movement. There's going to be links to different petitions you can sign and also organizations that you can donate to. So please do what you can. Every name on those petitions counts. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I can't believe that it is already 2:30 in the morning, but I'm just gonna pretend that everything is fine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really, it means a lot to me, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!